Just kidding! He's back! It's Mr. Dilly! Look at this kid! I'll take you to the next dimension. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Daddy and Dylan here. Today we've got something special for you. It's October, fall has arrived, and we're going to try something a little different. Today we're heading north to Erie, Pennsylvania to try and catch some steelhead trout. Anything you want to say to the people?
Hope we hook into some.
Hope we hook into some too, buddy. See you there. Need help? You made it. Wonder what that gate's for, Dylan. I bet it's to let out sharks. Yeah, huh? That way they can eat all the dead fish. Do you believe me? Do you? That's good. Attaboy, Dylan. Giant. Boy, are you sharp. Attaboy, buddy. Meat in the freezer. He goes from shoelaces below your belt by about 2 inches, so he's
Oh no!
still a big kid, huh? Don't step in that. It'll take you to the next dimension. You can see the little fish jumping up this. And they're not little either. I want to get one jumping. Is he gonna make it back?
Yep.
Is he? Oh!
I sort of want to see one get up past it. Oh, look at that! Oh, wait, is he stuck? Oh. Look, he's still turning.
Whoa. He had a swim and a yeet. Fish, they come right out of the lake and somehow they skimmy, shimmy, swimmy, whatever, across this beach, and they end up at the start here at the beginning on this hole, and then from this hole they swim their way up. They go across the first waterfall and then they jump up over a dam, believe it or not. I think they want to try to keep them in this area, but some of them make their way to the top. It's gone, but I have an idea. There he is. Anything you want to tell the people? Smash the like button!